Welcome back to Sisters Me. Do you see what we have here? It's a remote control mini car. Let's open it up. There's tape. Wait, are we opening this side or this side? This side. Okay. We had to go get batteries, and there are 2 AA batteries in the car, and so does the remote. Let's check them out. Here, Bo, you can play first. The way to turn this on is to turn the switch, and if these 2 red lights turn on, that means you're ready to go. So this one, let's go forward. This one, to go reverse. And these 2, let's go right. And these 2 go left, but that was forward. And yeah. So show them the left. Left. Right. And no. Maria, put it on the edge. Let's see how fast this thing can go. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh! That was really fast. It went flying off the table. Let's see if it can go faster. I'm so excited. Come on. Ready? Whoa! Oh, reverse. Back. No! Make it heavy. Oops. Let's see if I can try to do how fast I can go. No, wait, I have an idea. I want to do a reverse. It's gonna go backwards. Oh. Make sure it doesn't. No, you don't know how to use this thing. That was super fun. Do you want to play with this toy? For a chance to win this toy, comment Red Jeep down in the comments below. Da, 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 da. The winner of this toy is Sia Tao. Congratulations! If you want to claim this toy, make sure you email us in the email in the description below. You have 24 hours to email us, and if you don't, we will pick a new winner. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment,